In this section, we'll be looking at backing up to the cloud. I'll be using Amazon S3 in this tutorial, but the setup is pretty similar for other services such as Backblaze, the Wasabi, and Google Cloud Storage. If you are interested in specific videos on backing up with Restic to those services, leave a comment below. This page details how to set up cloud backup with Restic for various different services such as Amazon S3, Backblaze, Google Cloud Storage, and it goes into specific details for each service. For Amazon S3, however, the first thing we need to do is grab our secret and access keys. And we'll be using this syntax for accessing our repositories on Amazon S3. So what you're going to want to do is go into your Amazon S3 console and go under security credentials. You're going to want to create an access key by clicking on create access key, or preferably go down to users, click on a user or create a user, and under security credentials, you want to click on create access key. You're going to want to copy your access and secret keys. From there, you want to go to your settings. Under about, click on advanced system settings. So we'll go ahead and add a new environment variable and copy our variable name. And I'll paste in my access key here. Add a new variable, secret access key, and paste in my secret access key. With that set up, now Restic will have access to our Amazon S3 buckets. So let's get out of all of this, and let's go ahead and create a repository on Amazon S3. On Amazon S3, and I have here S3 browser, I have a bucket called DreNet Backup with nothing in it. I'm going to go ahead and open the terminal, and we'll create a repository in that bucket. So we'll do Restic -r on S3 s3.amazonaws.com, followed by the bucket name. In my case, it's going to be DreNet Backup, and I'll call this repository media and init. Now we can do snapshots just to test things out. And we get nothing because no data has been backed up. Let's go ahead and back up some data to Amazon. We'll do backup. And whenever you're working with the Amazon S3 service, you will have to specify the path, such as this, followed by the bucket name and then the repository path. And there we go. This is complete. Let's add our pictures. And we've got our pictures. Let's do snapshots. And we have our 2 snapshots. Now let's go ahead and back up our videos folder, but this time we'll add the read concurrency option. Like mentioned in the last video, this allows you to set the number of files Restic will transfer. And it's complete. Let's run snapshots. And we've got our documents, pictures, and videos. Let's look at restoring our backup. And I want to restore my videos. So I'll just copy the ID. And we'll restore to a folder called videos on my desktop. So restore our latest snapshot. Now notice it only has videos, so we can just restore the entire snapshot. Specify the target, and the data is being restored. And these files are coming directly from our Amazon S3 Restic backup. I'll go ahead and remove this and show you. You can also restore using the subfolder syntax, such as this. You would do the snapshot ID followed by the path. In this case, I want to restore my videos. And this will, instead of putting all of those files in subfolders, it will put everything in the videos folder. Let's do pictures, and we'll put that in the pictures folder and use its ID. And now our pictures have come back with all of our stuff. The last thing I like to mention are extended options for Amazon S3 using Restic. If you do Restic options, gives you a list of options for specific services. For S3, we have the option to change the bucket lookup, the number of connections for concurrent transfers, the S3 layout. We can set the region, and this can be done using the -O option. So I'll go ahead and back up my music. It will supply the S3 connections option. So we can do -O or double hyphen option, and then S3 connections. We'll say it'll be equal to 10. And it's complete. In the next section, we'll be looking at managing your repository passwords.